All right, welcome to my review of the Champion Power Equipment Power Winch 3000. All right, so I am in the process of restoring the pontoon boat, and I need to replace the existing winch that was on there. As you see here, it's all rusted out. Now this was actually supposed to be a power winch, but I didn't want to take time to muck around with it, and besides it's all rusted out, as well as the chain is rusted out, so I didn't want to risk it. So I decided to get the Champion Power Equipment Power Winch 3000 and install it. The installation, I knew would be a lot of customization because I didn't see a whole lot of instructions online about installing this particular winch for boats, and especially not a pontoon boat. So what I had to do was I used the existing power winch stand with the platform. I had to drill additional holes in there to get it to align with the middle of the pontoon. That way the chain will align to the middle and also align with the previous, where the previous power winch sat. Alright, I installed the power toggle on the stem itself. I like the fact that it had a bump out to allow me to do that with ease. Also, what was impressive was that the solenoid, I was able to install the solenoid on the stem with no problem, because the width of the solenoid is the same width as the stem itself. That was impressive. As for the electric, just simply follow instructions. As you see, it's all color coordinated. Follow instructions. That was very simple to do. Now what I did have to do was I had to customize it, the electrical hookup, using a trolling motor adapter, a 3-prong adapter. Other than that, there was no problem. As a matter of fact, it worked like pretty simple. As you see here, there's no power to it. So let's see if we can plug this thing in without falling. Here's the outlet, 3-prong outlet that was already installed on the pontoon. I just ordered, whatever equipment I needed to make sure that I aligned with what was already there. So let's install this thing, connect it, and see if it works. This comes with pre-keyed configuration. See the groove there on the top? Should get some focus here. Groove there on the top here aligns with the groove inside. So just plug it up. All plugged up. And let's see if we got power. We have power. Again, this is the Champion Power Equipment Power Winch 3000. I chose 3000 because with the pontoon, when the pontoon is all finished, I have all the furniture on it. It's going to weigh about 2,000 and some change. So a 3,000 pound power winch should be sufficient to get it out the water and up on the trailer. Again, this is the Champion Power Equipment Power Winch 3000. So my overall review, I will give it a 9.5, only because I have not been able to fully test it yet by pulling the boat out the water onto the trailer. So if that works all the way it's supposed to, then it probably deserves a 10. Good job, Champion.